Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying list and this is our fifth video on list data structure. In this video we will see what happens when various operators like addition, multiplication and comparison operators applied to a list. What will be the output of the list? Let's start. First example, if you have first list containing three elements and second list containing three elements and you perform addition of first list with the second list, it results in the concatenation of the list. Concatenation, at the end of the first list, second list element will be added and a new list will be created containing elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Let us cross check. L13 1 2 3, L14 4 5 6, L15 will be concatenation of L13 and L14. Therefore when we print L15 we get at the output 1 2 3, after that 4 5 6. One more example. Now you have two lists with different data types element inside them. First list contain an integer and a decimal. Second list contain a string and an integer. When we add these two lists, it results in the concatenation of the list wherein at the end of the first list, second list is attached. Therefore, the output will be 1, 2.5, Python and 4. Click on the cell, run the cell and you see the output 1, 2.5, Python, 4. Moving from addition, which results in the concatenation of the list, to multiplication. When we multiply list with the integer, the element of the list are repeated that many number of times. For example, here 0 is multiplied by 4. Click on the cell. It results in a new list which contains 4 zeros. Second list contains 4 elements 1, 2, 3 and Python, and it is multiplied by 3. Elements of the list will be repeated thrice and the resultant list contains 12 elements. Click on the cell, run the cell. You can see 1 2 3 Python first time, 1 2 3 Python second time, 1 2 3 Python third time because it was multiplied by 3. Same example repeated, 1 2 multiplied by 3 will result in 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. Now moving to conditional operators, we have three lists here, L16, L17 and L18. L16 contains 3 element, L17 contains 3 element. Here L16 and L17 contain same elements 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, whereas L18 contains one element greater than L18. If we compare L16 with L17, it will compare the number of elements in L16 and L17. If they are same, it will compare the element value. If both are same, then it results in true. Click on the cell, run the cell. If we compare L16 and L17, you see that L16 contain 1 2 3, L17 contain 1 2 3, both are same. Therefore, the output is true. If we compare L16 with L18, number of elements in L18 is greater. Therefore, this comparison whether the element in L16 is equivalent to L18 results in a false value. Click on the cell, run the cell, you get the output as false. If you compare L16 with L18, in this case length of L18 is larger, therefore L18 list is considered to be higher. Therefore, L16 is less than L18 results in an output true. Next example, now you are comparing L16 and L17. What is the comparison greater than equal to? L16 is equal to L17. We have seen this earlier. Therefore, this cell will give you an output as true. See? Now up till here in list we have seen addition, multiplication, indexing, length, slicing is also seen. We have seen example of while loop and for loop over the list, and we have also seen the membership operator in the previous video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.